Here's how people are using AI models like these to run their automated dropshipping stores in 2026. You don't need to advertise, you don't need to video your products, you don't need to do anything anymore when you can use AI to create these AI realistic models holding your product, using your product. Real UGC is dead, guys. This is the future, and I'm going to show you step by step how I actually started up with my store, a Wix dropshipping store with winning products, and then how I then created an AI model with that product I'm choosing to market, and how I advertise with that winning AI ad creative. So guys, a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to show you how to go from 0 to 1K a day using AI advertising. Also, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to set up your own store with the right products that you're going to advertise using AI. So guys, it's a crazy video. Get your pen and paper ready. Let's go. Now, to get the exact same store, go in the description of this video. There'll be a link, and this is what's going to come up. This is where you'll be able to have access to all the products that I'm currently running and allow you to advertise with AI with the right products. Because if you don't have the store, if you don't have the products, there's no point, what's the point of using the AI advertising if you don't have a store? So this is how I'm going to show you set up the store right now. So you just got to pick a niche. So I usually pick clothing. I like clothing myself. And you just press this and then press get your store, and of course I have to fill in the details. And now the best thing about this is you can actually just pick whatever theme you want. I like to have the maroon like theme. Just press continue, and now what's going to happen is it's going to accumulate all the winning products into your store in a few seconds. It's magic, and it's beautiful. Obviously you don't want to be spending hours, weeks setting up the store, and because at the end of the day your advertising is more important. 80% of the time your videos, your advertising technique is your probably the most, if not the best priority you need when you want to run a successful dropshipping store. So now it says your Wix store is ready to go. It is live. Beautiful. And now all you have to do is press upgrade, and I'm going to show you how you actually can get your own domain set up for the store. And usually I go for this core plan, the cheapest one. So if I want to go on this, select. I usually go for the yearly plans, but if I think right now the monthly plan does not have the domain. So if you want to have the domain you want to get for the yearly plan, you will get access to the free domain. But if you're obviously on a budget right now, if you want for testing, just get this plan. It's the best way forward, and to allow you to get all the products on there. The website will be live, and even though if you don't want to have the domain, the default domain that Wix already has, you can still use that. So you don't have to, it's not like you can't run the store without a domain. So don't worry. I usually go for the core plan, yearly one, but if you want, you can go for the core plan monthly. So yeah, just press continue checkout, and fill in the details. I'm gonna check out right now. Boom. But all you got to do is just set up the main stuff on that store. You can go to shipping rates, get your domain. You can get a domain if you obviously want separately, and yeah, set up payment methods, set up your first product. Now when you're on the manage products, this is what I'm going to do now. Obviously for this tutorial I'm actually going to show you a product of mine which I currently run myself. I run my own clothing brand, and if you guys want to have access to this product as well and add it to your store, just comment no season, NOSZN, under this YouTube video. So you have a bunch of other winning products on there, but I'm actually going to show you how I'm running with my own product on this Wix store, and it's crazy. So the crazy thing about this this hoodie which I have, it's a headphone slot hoodie. So I don't know if you've ever seen this before or not. I'm actually going to show you, and this is the crazy part of it. So you can see there is a headphone slot in the hood. This is something I've designed myself, and it's crazy. It's an innovative product, and if you guys want to have access to this product, just comment NOSZN in the chat under this YouTube video, and I'll be able to give you access to this as a partnership. But I'm just going to show you right now, like, how I set up the store. So I'll just put in the products right here. You can actually press plus, add the pricing here, add a description, call it whatever. This is just an example of how my store looks like. It's pretty cool. You get all the offers, you know, trying to get all the reviews on it, all the pictures. But yeah, this exact same store I'm going to run on Facebook ads, and I'm actually going to help you set up the Facebook ads to run this store to obviously achieve that 1K a day. It's people think it's not possible, but it is possible, guys. If you have the store, you have the right video ad, you have the right Facebook ad campaign strategy, the 3-step process is easy peasy, guys. Now I'm actually going to show you now what I do to create this AI model video of the product. So on your store, you'll have a bunch of other products on there, and the first thing you need to do is get a picture of the product. So right now, look, if I go to the store product section, all the products I have, you need to pick one product that you obviously want to create an AI model video out of. And the first one I'm actually going to think of, you know, obviously for my product, I'm just going to copy the picture. So all the other ones, if you obviously want to sell the others, you can do, but all you have to do is save the picture that you have. That's all you need for the AI model video to be created. You just need to save the photo, press save as, and boom, you got the video saved to your file. And then what will happen is you need to go to a website called snippo.ai. That's the one I currently use, and it's probably the best one right now, realistic AI model wise. This is the one that's changing the game. So snippo.ai, sign up on there, and when you go to create now, go to UGC, that's the one I currently use, and go to UGC Studio. This is where I'm actually just going to plug in the picture of the product. So let's plug in the picture I already got. Boom, 1 second. There it is. So I got one of the pictures of the hoodie, as you can see here. Then I'm actually just going to describe what I want the AI model to do in the video. So this is the exact same video I'm actually going to use for my Facebook ad campaign I need to set up tonight. So this video ad needs to be good. It needs to show the product, show what it's doing, what the problem solving aspect of the product is. It's going to do everything when, you know, in the video, and you have to describe it properly with this prompt. So I need to describe it whatever I want now. So I want a woman holding, you know, you can say I want a beautiful holding and explaining this headphone hoodie product. There is a headphone slot in the hood where you can place your headphone. Satin line material in the hood to help just describing what the product is, and the AI is going to help understand what the product is, and then just create your UGC style video. And also you can sleep with it. So yeah, I just describe all the products. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. Keep it Sora Pro, and you can 12 seconds and 1080p. You want to do TikTok style video, and that's it. You press generate, and let's wait for the video and see what comes out. Videos come out, and this is what it looks like. So let's see what the video is.
Okay guys, I have to show you this hoodie because there is something about it that is seriously so genius. So on the hood, there is actually a hidden headphone slot built right into the hood. That means when I'm working out or even just walking around, my headphones stay totally secure, no slipping, no adjusting. Inside is actually satin lined, which feels so smooth, and it's sweat resistant, so it is perfect for workouts or just lounging around, and you can sleep in it and your hair won't get all frizzy. And honestly, I've even napped in it with my headphones on, and the inner padding makes it super comfortable to lie down in. And I am just so obsessed.
insane. So realistic. I don't think anyone really realized that this is AI. So that's the beauty, and these are the type of videos I pretty much use every single day on all of my dropshipping stores, all of my e-commerce stores. It's insane. Now I'm actually going to show you now what I do to set up the Facebook ad campaign with that exact video. So let's move on to the Facebook Ads Manager. Obviously, you have your site, you have your video, and now you want to set up the ad to push that video for people to see and then push them to your website. That is the process, the 3-step process. I've said this before, it's easy, but you have to get the right video, which I just did. Didn't need to hire a model, didn't need to pay people on Fiverr to create that video. I didn't need to post the hoodie to that woman. That woman is not real. So this is the beauty of AI that you can use to help promote any of your products. It's insane. So guys, use this, and let's go to the Facebook Ads Manager. If you already have a Facebook Ads Manager, brilliant. If you don't, sign up. Ad setup, which I do for my clothing on my Wix store, and press create. So we're going to use the exact same AI video that we used from Snippo. So here we're going to do sales, press continue, then we're going to press call this testing because we're doing a testing campaign. Go to $25 CBO, then we go to next. Everything else I keep the same, it's not hard. And then we're gonna go here. Usually should be website here. I don't know why it's not website. Keep it website. And then keep the pixel. Obviously, if you have a pixel set up, make sure it is connected to your store. On the Wix, you can actually set up your pixel setup. Your next video, if you obviously want to learn about that, you can comment below. If you obviously want to learn how to connect your pixel to your Wix store. Here we're going to do purchase, setup purchase, easy peasy, and then always schedule it the next day at midnight. So a lot of people don't realize this, but this is very, very important. Make sure you do the next day midnight. It does affect the ads if you do it in the midday, because it will spend a lot more. Yeah, so locations are the UK. If I'm based in the UK, I'll do UK. If you're based in USA, USA. If you obviously want to start off, if you're in another country, go target USA. It does do, by far is one of the best for the high buying powers countries is definitely USA, UK, Canada, Australia. These are the ones. But start off USA, UK if you obviously want to start off on that Wix store that you already have. Then press next. And now we're actually just going to plug in the exact same video that we pretty much got off Snippo. So press setup creative. I'm actually going to plug in the video here. Boom, boom, boom. Press next. Here I'm actually going to plug in the video right now. The AI video that I got. It's uploading. You know, these are a few things I don't care too much of. You can say, oh, headphone, hoodie. You know, then you can say crazy offer. Headphones. So yeah, it's not too much. You can just describe what the product is and then press shop now. I always do shop now, and that's it. And then you can press next. Go down the manual way of succeeding with this, guys. It's not difficult. And then here we go. We got the video ad that I created through the AI Snippo system. Added on the Facebook ad campaign. Easy peasy. I'm actually going to run that ad to my website. Copy the link right here and then go back to your ads manager to just paste it in. Simple as. It's not difficult. People overcomplicate this, and then that is it, guys. And this is where you can then press publish, and that's where you get the full ad set up for tonight. And this is how I'm gonna show you in the next video as well. My stats, how I then move that video to 1K a day. If you get your first 2 sales from this testing campaign, how do you go from that to 50 sales a day? So this is for the next video, but this is by far the best way for you to get your AI video ad for your Wix store. Run it automated. I've not done anything. I just spent 5-10 minutes, got the store ready, got the video ad ready, took a few minutes, and now just set up the ad, took a few minutes. This is the setup to help you scale on advertising on your e-commerce stores. Easy peasy. But yeah, see you in the next video. This is simple as and yeah, and that snippet AI is crazy. You can do a lot of stuff on it. You can create whatever type of videos. But yeah, this is the setup, and you just press publish, and that's it. So guys, I'll see you in the next video in the next week or so. I'll show you how kind of results I got, and yeah, so see you soon.